Hey guys, welcome back to the Mower Medic 1. Today
We're working on a John Deere X300 and it's got an issue with the belt. As you can tell, it's broken, and I apologize for the wind noise, if any, but we've got several spots here, and I know these mowers get abused. They mow the baseball field back here on the absolute lowest setting because that's just all they have, and it's just not good to scalp your yard, but it is what it is, and you just gotta do what you gotta do to keep these guys going. Just in case you're wondering what the part number is for the belt, it's M154621. This mower has got the craziest belt routing, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to do this video, because I'm sure that if you ever had a belt break, you'd be scratching your head trying to figure out how this belt goes back on. You'd think that the belt would run from this blade spindle pulley to that blade spindle pulley up to the engine pulley here with an idler, but this thing has got some weird idler system pulleys going on here. We've got an idler way down low here on the deck. So let me show you how to put this on correctly. Start installing this belt. Both your outer and inner parts of the belt, it's gonna go towards the back of the machine. Off the right side of the pulley here is gonna go around this idler here, and from that idler the belt's going to make its way up towards the front to go around the engine pulley here, and it's the same way with the idler that has the spring tension on it. So on the right blade spindle, we're going to install the belt in the pulley groove, and the belt on the back is going to go to that center idler pulley there, and it's going to go on around to the other spindle, and it's going to go around, like I said, it's going to go around this idler back towards the motor. From the motor, we're going to come here, we're going to go around the spring-loaded idler around this pulley here, and that will complete our routing. So let me get a wrench. We're going to put a wrench right here, a ratchet. It's just a 3/8 drive, and we'll load the spring and install the belt. So let's go ahead and load our idler pulley. I know you're not going to be able to see very good, but we've got our ratchet in the idler arm, and then we're going to reach in with our left hand and pull this belt around the pulley and just let off the tension. Now here's a good view from the front of the tractor, and as we can tell how it goes around these pulleys back here and around these spindles, makes some pretty weird twists and turns. However, it works good, and that's how the belts and the blades are installed on a John Deere X300. Hey guys, I hope this helped you out. If this did, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button, and have a good rest of your day. Mower Medic 1.